Today, we're diving into artificial intelligence, what it is, what it isn't, and the myths that surround it.
AI gets a lot of hype in movies. Do you think people really believe robots will take over the world?
Some do, but most AI today is about pattern recognition, not world domination. It's more about helping us sort emails or recommend movies.
Right, like when Netflix knows exactly what cheesy rom-com I'll binge next. Still, there's fear about AI replacing jobs. Is that justified?
It's a valid concern. Automation can impact certain jobs, especially repetitive ones. But AI also creates new roles and industries we couldn't imagine before.
So, it's like how ATMs changed banking. Some jobs disappeared, but others popped up. What about AI being biased? That's a hot topic.
Totally. AI learns from data, and if the data is biased, the results can be too. That's why transparency and careful oversight are so important.
Can AI ever be truly objective, though? Or will there always be some human influence baked in?
Complete objectivity is tough. AI reflects the values and flaws of its creators and the data it's fed. It's a mirror more than a crystal ball.
I like that metaphor. But is there a way for regular people to understand what's going on inside these black box systems?
There's a push for explainable AI, making algorithms more transparent. It's like asking a chef to share the recipe, not just serve the dish.
So, less magic, more ingredients. What about the idea that AI will someday have emotions or consciousness?
That's still science fiction. AI can mimic emotions, like chatbots pretending to empathize, but it doesn't truly feel anything.
Yet some people talk to their virtual assistants like their friends. Do you think that changes how we interact with technology?
Absolutely. The more human-like AI feels, the more we project feelings onto it. But it's important to remember there's no real understanding on the other side.
Good point. Some people worry about privacy too. How much does AI really know about us?
Quite a bit, depending on what we share online. It can analyze our preferences, habits, even moods if we're not careful.
Creepy but convenient. It's a trade-off, right? We get personalized services but give up some privacy.
Exactly. It's up to us to balance convenience and caution. Read those privacy settings, folks.
Looking ahead, where do you see AI making the biggest positive impact?
Healthcare, for sure. AI can help diagnose diseases earlier, analyze medical images, and tailor treatments to individuals.
That sounds promising. Any risks we should watch out for?
Misinformation is a big one. Deepfakes and AI-generated content can make it hard to tell what's real.
So AI is a tool, powerful, but only as good as how we use it.
Precisely. It's not about fearing AI. It's about understanding and shaping it responsibly.
Thanks for unpacking these myths and realities. Makes me think, if AI is a mirror, what do we want it to reflect about us?
Great question to ponder. Let's hope it's our best qualities, not our worst.